bear with me. This may be long and it may be in reverse order, but I just want to show you something. If we have a minus b quantity squared, it's going to be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, we have a is x and negative b is negative 7 in this case. So that would be, if we FOIL it out, it would be, x squared minus 14x plus 49. And you're like, oh, well, yeah, that's the first term squared, the last term squared, the negative 7 squared would be 49. And then 2 times x times negative 7 is negative 14x. So if you see it this way as a trinomial, you know to factor it into the binomial x minus 7 quantity squared. Now, some of you may say, I don't like memorizing all this garbage. But remember, originally we had this. Remember, we had it as the sum. Like if we do a plus b quantity squared, that's going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Well, if you just think of b as negative, you're totally good to go. Because then you say, oh, well, if b, in this case, is negative 7, well, negative 7 squared would still be 49. And then negative 7 times, or in this case, the 2ab, if you had negative 7 times 2 times x, it's like, oh, that's negative 14x. So it actually works out to be, just if you memorize this first one, you're totally good to go. You don't have to actually memorize the negative one. Just remember b has a negative sign. And then when you put it in this plus 2ab, you're totally good to go. So remember, all you have to do is memorize the pink one, not necessarily the red one.